Peripheral vision. Is it possible to see a chunk of words longer than on the beach? Yes, within limits, but you must learn to relax the focus of your eye. When we learned to read, we had to look at one letter, then one syllable or one small word, at a time. We may have been asked to point at the one word we were reading. Thus, at that impressionable age, we formed the habit of closing down our focus. Stare at a word in the middle of a paragraph on this page, keeping your eyes absolutely still. You will probably see a sharp focus the word you're looking at, plus maybe one either side, and one above and below it. Everything else is fuzzy. Now turn the page upside down and look at the same word. You will now see about the size of a paragraph more clearly in focus. Somewhere deep in your subconscious you are telling yourself, I am no longer reading the word, I am looking at the page. Your focus will begin to soften, the way it does when you look at the picture on the page. Now look around the room. Your focus will further soften. The natural state of the eye is a soft focus. When you read, looking at one word at a time, it is as if you are looking through a keyhole. Imagine trying to drive a car, cross a busy road or play any sport with your eye focus closed down to such an absurd degree. That is not to say that you can see everything sharply that falls within your field of vision. Sharp focus is contained within a narrow arc of some 5 degrees. Things further away from the center of sharp focus become progressively more blurred. But we can use some of this peripheral vision to distinguish the shape of words on the edge of our sharp focus. Perhaps you still point at words as you read, with a finger or pencil, and many people do, and you cannot point at more than one word at a time. And if you also say the word, you cannot say more than one word at a time. It makes you harden your focus and denies you the use of your peripheral vision. You do not need to point at a ball when playing sport, point in front of you when driving a car, riding a bicycle or crossing a road in order to see what is there. Do not point at words when you read,